Tonight, a new tool in the fight against COVID-19. The FDA authorizing Johnson & Johnson's single-dose COVID-19 vaccine. Good to be with you this Saturday night. I'm Brian Abel.
And I'm Amira David. Here are some key points that you need to know about this newest vaccine. This is the first ever single-dose vaccine for the virus available in the country. In clinical trials, it has proven to be 72% effective by U.S. standards.
The vaccine is approved for people over 18 years old and does not require special storage. 4 million doses of the J&J vaccine are ready to ship immediately, with 20 million ready by the end of March.
While this vaccine has become the third one to gain emergency use authorization, it likely won't be the last.
7 Action News reporter Brett Cass telling us how even more vaccines may be coming and their impact on the length of the pandemic. Brett?
Well, 3 vaccines are now approved to be used in the United States, and 7 others are still undergoing clinical trials. And so far, the results look promising.
I wanted to take you guys with me as I go on my journey to get my second shot. So come on, let's go.
Meet Quinn Wright from Madison Heights. He recorded this video as he went in to get his second dose of vaccine. It's not from Pfizer or Moderna. In fact, he's not even sure it is a vaccine.
I was kind of excited, but I'm kind of oh man, what if I'm doing this and I'm just getting salt water pushed into my arm?
Wright is part of a clinical trial studying yet another potential COVID vaccine from Novavax.
I believe the sooner we get vaccinated, the sooner we can get back to normal. And so I jumped at the opportunity.
Phase 3 trial results from the UK showed Novavax to be 89% effective and nearly 86% effective against the UK variant.
We have more reason for optimism now than we've ever had before in this pandemic.
Dr. Matthew Sims from Beaumont Health says more vaccines will only help get the virus under control. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine is the latest to get FDA approval. And while not as effective at preventing COVID as Pfizer or Moderna, those who took it and still caught the virus had much milder cases.
We're in the middle of a pandemic. And so any vaccine we have that really reduces the spread of this disease and saves people's lives is a good thing.
Right now across the United States, there are more than 100 active clinical trials, 59 of them actively recruiting participants like Quinn, who still doesn't know for sure if he has the shot, but does know he's making a difference.
I think that it's monumentous just to be a part of that history. And when we look back on it, I think it'll feel a lot more special than it does right now.
The Novavax and Johnson & Johnson vaccines are different than Pfizer and Moderna's in that they don't use mRNA technology, but none of the vaccines contain the live COVID-19 virus. Reporting here in Detroit, I'm Brett Cass, 7 Action News.